Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the discriminated unions. So today we'll be discussing about the typecasting or as keyword, right? So what is typecasting basically? Typecasting in TypeScript allows explicitly converting a variable from one type to another using as keyword, right? Again I'm telling typecasting in the TypeScript basically it allows explicitly converting a variable from one type to another using the as keyword. How it is useful basically? It is useful when we know more about the type than the TypeScript can infer, right? So we try to implement the same using the simple example so that we will understand this one clearly, right? We'll go with basically casting from unknown to string, right? So I'll quickly come here and just give here let value equals hello Bharadwaj here. Within the strings I have given hello Bharadwaj. Let me consider string value or str value. I'll consider this one variable name. I'll just give here value as string. So what am I doing here? This one casts value to the string, right? Again, I'm telling I'm making use of the as keyword here, right? This one basically casts value to the string. So I'll quickly come here. Let me log something very quickly here. I'll just give here console log. Str value I have considered, right? This one, let's convert this one to the uppercase. I'll just make use of two uppercase. So we have to get the hello Bharadwaj every letter in the caps, right? So we are converting this one to the uppercase basically. So what I have done here, I'll quickly explain. So value is declared as unknown. Initially, again I'm telling value is declared as unknown, nothing but a type safe placeholder. Next, value as string here, this one. Basically, value as string here, this one asserts that runtime type of value is a string. Again, I'm telling this one is very important. This itself is very important. Basically, value as string here, this asserts that the runtime type of the value is basically string. And finally, we have made use of the two uppercase, right? This method works because string value is explicitly cast to the string here. We can clearly see here, right? Basically, what is happening here, two uppercase method here, this basically works because str value, this one or this one basically, here it is there, right? Str value is explicitly cast to string, right? So I hope the concept is clear. So while I run the code, I have to get hello Bharadwaj in the caps, right? So let's run the code. Yeah, you can clearly see here we are getting hello Bharadwaj in the caps, which works absolutely correct. I hope the concept of typecasting, nothing but casting from unknown to string, what we have seen here, the example. I hope the concept of typecasting is completely clear. So next, let's discuss on the non-nullable types topic. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.